Hi, this is Joe from powerofattorneyform.com, and today we're going to go over the four main North Carolina power of attorney forms. Now, if you don't know what power of attorney is, it's just a legal document that allows you to pick anyone that you want to act for you for either financial or medical obligations or decision making. So to get started, we're going to go on the left side of the page with the North Carolina Durable Power of Attorney form. Now, this allows somebody to act on your behalf for any and all financial powers legal in the state of North Carolina. But what makes this form the most common form in the USA is that it's the only power of attorney form that stays valid if the principal should become incapacitated or not able to mentally think for themselves anymore. So what that basically means is this form allows you to pick anyone that you want to act for you for financial powers for at any time. They can handle your banking transactions, your assets, anything that you have. Obviously, you want to choose a trusted person, but what makes this form so common is that if anything should happen to you, especially with our baby boomers hitting dementia, Alzheimer's, all these conditions that are really awful and impair their thinking, and don't allow them to do simple things like pay bills. And this form allows that person to even sign checks on their behalf so that just in case something like that should happen, they have a trusted person that's able to act for them. Now going to the right, we have the North Carolina Medical Power of Attorney form. Now this is a great form for exactly how it sounds, to have someone handle all your healthcare decision making just in case you're not able to do so yourself. So what we see a lot of times is people will download the durable and medical forms so that they have that person that can cover each ends. The next on the right, we have the North Carolina General Power of Attorney form. Now this form is great because it can handle all the financial powers just like the durable, but for some reason you cannot think for yourself anymore, this form becomes void. So we see this a lot with people who have businesses and they have an accountant. They maybe want their accountant to have all the power while they're still thinking clearly, but if anything should happen to them, they don't really want that person to still have that power. So the general, just like the durable, but becomes void if you can't think for yourself. And now the limited power of attorney, all the way to the right. I use this every year with my accountant. All it is you just have somebody handle very specific financial powers. I have my accountant just handle my taxes every year. I don't really want him handling my finances or doing anything with my finances in the other 364 days of the year. So this allows you, if you just want someone to pick up your mail, or you're out of town, you just want them to pay your cell phone bill, or very specific financial powers. This allows them to just do those, and again, if you should become incapacitated, this form becomes void. So that's a summary of the four main North Carolina power of attorney forms. Make sure that if you download any of these, that you have them notarized. If you don't know what a notary is, just go to your nearest branch bank. They all have notaries on staff, and they usually do it for free if you have an account. If you don't, that's fine. I know banks like Bank of America charge around $8 to $10, but if you usually go in there and act like you're thinking about getting an account, they'll do it for free. So that's it. These are the North Carolina Power of Attorney forms.